If your VW Taos infotainment screen goes black while using Apple CarPlay, you are not alone. Statistics show that nearly 40% of intermittent screen issues are caused by faulty data cables. Let us break down the troubleshooting process to get your navigation back online. Start by swapping your cable, rebooting your phone, and verifying the CarPlay settings in your iPhone menu. If the problem persists, try clearing the CarPlay cache or fully repairing the device to your Taos head unit. The most effective secret fix is a hard reset by holding the MIB3 power button for 15 full seconds. Most issues are software related, but if these steps fail, you may be looking at a hardware module failure. As you can see, the vast majority of these black screen occurrences are solved by simple cable or reset procedures. For advanced troubleshooting, check for stored communication codes or ensure your USB-C port is clean of debris. Keep a high-quality cable and a small can of compressed air in your glove box as your primary defense. Remember, never force a connection if the screen remains black, as repeated cycling can sometimes corrupt the unit software. If you're still seeing black, it is time to visit the dealer for a firmware update. Thanks for watching.